Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your car. So first, go into your home, then your settings, hook it up to your internet. So it's going to be Wi-Fi networks. Hook it up to whatever internet you guys have at your house. Hopefully you're not too far away, so you capture some signal. And then just scroll down. And once you scroll down, you're going to see updates. Hit on updates. It's going to check for your updates. Now you do need internet connection for this. As you guys can see, the last update was very long time ago, so hopefully we get one right now. Now, if there's an update, you will see an update. If there isn't, you will see this. No updates available. So you can just go back, and then you can check out any other options that you would like. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.